How to apply promo code on Uber Eats. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and wondering on how to apply promo code on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Uber Eats application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to apply promo code, you need to order something first. So simply order one thing that you would like to order. Just like this. Now choose the product and simply go to cart. Just like this. Then go to checkout right here. Then simply add your payment method and tap on to next. Then scroll down and here you can find your promo code right here. Now to add it, simply tap on it. Now if you got the promo code, you can simply add a promo code on the Uber Eats. So currently I don't have any promotions right now, so if you got one, you can simply select that one and add it. And that's it. This is how you can apply promo code on Uber Eats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.